Hello, my name is Shannon O'Byrne. I'm a web designer for hire, and this is my portfolio. I've been passionate about web design since I was in high school, which was almost 10 years ago now. Over the years, I've made several different sites, some for fun, some for school, and some for business. I want to take the time to showcase a few of my best projects that you can find when viewing my portfolio. The first site I'd like to showcase is the redesign page for the Art Institute internships. Over the years, the school has let students remake several of the pages related to the school. These types of opportunities often happen during special projects classes. I'm lucky enough to have been in 2 of these classes. This presents a unique ability for me to gain real-world experience working as part of a team with other people to create a cohesive final project. During Special Projects 3, for this class, I was chosen to be assistant project manager at the beginning of the class. Although several weeks in, I ended up having to take over the lead coding role because another team member couldn't complete it. A total of 11 students worked on this content for the page, but the coding was all done by me with the exception of the jQuery accordions, which were done by Kimberly Lawrence. I also contributed the coordinator graphics you see in this part of the page. I created a custom Photoshop background to make the images really pop. The second site I will showcase is the site for Stones by Stalkers. I met Kathy Stalker at a gem show in New Hampshire that I attend every year. I loved and respected her work, especially after she custom wire wrapped a piece of jewelry for me. When I found out that she didn't have a website, I offered to make her one for free. I saw this as a good opportunity that could benefit both of us. She needs a website to promote her business, and I need real-life experience to put on my resume. Since the business is focused around rocks, I started the image with fancy logo and branding that you see here. The S image is 2 letter S's put together to make a swan-looking image. And the background is an image taken by the client during one of her vacations, which I added a gradient to using colors that she chose to represent her business. These colors are gold and blue. The site features a lightbox gallery of the client's work, past and present. The final piece I want to showcase is my Scabia Gaming website. This website ties into the core of everything I do, and I can explain why. I'm an avid video gamer, and my screen name has always been Scabia Delirium. This comes from my long-standing obsession and friendship with singer Christina Scabia of Lacuna Coil. I get to see her band for free every time she's nearby, and we also hang out. This is because we're both friends with the same photographer, Jeremy Saffer. So when I started looking into branding for both avenues, gaming and web design, it became known as this, Scabia Gaming and Delirium Web Design. Christina has always known about the naming conventions I use and is okay with it. This website started as a class project for me, but became more when I started streaming the Elder Scrolls Online gameplay. Most streamers have their own website, so I opted to have one of my own as well. The About Me page, you can learn about me, how I started gaming, and see a gallery of my characters as a slideshow. The FAQ page features rollovers and a bunch of other stuff. The housing has a lightbox gallery. Most of the stuff in this site was my first experiences with JavaScript, and I continue to refine these as I learn more. I want to take the time to thank you for viewing my portfolio. I take a lot of time and pride in what work I do, but I also remember to have fun. I can sit here coding all day, and time just flies by because I simply enjoy what I do. Thank you for viewing my portfolio. I hope you have an amazing day.